I see him speak, I see him lead, I see
What
him
concrete steps can I take now in order to achieve the goal of doing my part to make America great again?
You should go to Hillsdale College, America's greatest college.
Charlie, if I could learn like Charlie, if I could learn like Charlie.
So I listened to your podcast. I'm taking Hillsdale online courses right now.
That's what I'm talking about. I love it.
To lead, what should I lead? How do I set my generation free? I need to know, how do I grow like Charlie? If I could learn like Charlie, I wanna learn.
I'm on pace to complete every single Hillsdale online course.
Charlie.